lawyer who provides legal services to those who claim to have been injured physically or psychologically as a result of the negligence of another person, company, government agency, or an entity. Personal injury lawyers primarily practice in the area of law known as tort law. Examples of common personal injury claims include injuries from slip and fall accident, traffic collision, defective products, workplace injuries, and professional malpractice. The term trial lawyers is used to refer to personal injury lawyers, even though many other types of lawyers, including defense lawyers and criminal prosecutors, also appear in trials, and even though most personal injury claims are settled without going to trial. Qualification. Here the qualification option and qualification. A personal injury lawyers must qualify to practice law in the jurisdiction in which the lawyer practices in many states. They have also passed a written ethics examination. Lawyers may take continuing legal education CLE classes in order to learn about development in the law or to learn about new practice areas. In states that require lawyers to attend CLE, personal injury lawyers may take CLE course related to personal injury law but are not required to do this. United States, and having this you can read this paragraph easily. And here the practices and lawyers may concentrate their practice to specific areas of law including personal injury law. See, some lawyers may further specialize to a specific area of personal injury such as medical malpractice law. By limiting the range of cases they handle, personal injury lawyers are able to acquire specialized knowledge and experience. Claim relationship. Before accepting a new case, a person and dealer typically interview a pro-practice client and evaluates the client's case to determine the basic facts and protection legal. And many more you can hear this is of the strength of the case. 7. A lawyer may decline to accept a case if the lawyer believes that the legal claims will not succeed in court. If the cost of allegation is expected and the succeed amount the can responsible and recover from the defendant and compensation from the client's injury. Compensation. And here the compensation words here you can see lawyer fees may be charged in a number of ways including contingency fees, hourly rates, and flat fees. In many countries personal injury lawyers work primarily on a contingency fee basis, sometimes called an if-sum fee, through which the lawyer receives a percentage of a client recovery as a fee but does not recover a fee if the claim is not successful. 7. In some jurisdiction and many more, here you can read the easily ethics and attorney. An attorney should provide diligent representation to clients, and the ultimate professional responsibility of a personal injury lawyer is to help plaintiff obtain just compensation for their losses. As with all lawyers, the attorney-client relationship is governed by rules of ethics. 11. In the United States, lawyers are regulated by codes of conduct established by state bar and association, which have the power to